Strawberries are almost ready. Here I have in front is the Ever Sweet, a later variety that bears fruit at a later season. But most of my strawberries here are the Ever Albine, and as you can see, it's already flowering. I'm producing fruit, as you can see. All this one right here is really producing, and as I can show you, get around it a little bit. All right. Nothing over here is ripe yet, but when I go around, this one is flowering. This one over here is already starting to ripen. Look at that baby. Don't that look good? Now I'm gonna show you. This one might be ready to pick, but I'm not gonna pick it yet. All right, and here's another one, a little small one. And here we have more. And then I come around this, look at that. Woo, woo, look at that big one right there. That is huge compared to the other ones. And then another one right there. So, if you didn't get your strawberries in the ground container, raised bed, whatever you're using, please go get you some strawberries if you like strawberries. This is a great time and opportunity to plant. And yeah, can't wait to enjoy those fresh in a jam or make a juice out of it. I don't know, but NJ Gardener, hit the thumbs up. Go get strawberries.